Morning, everyone. This is the sum we will do today. Dinesh, Amar, and Manoj were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1, respectively. So, Dinesh, Amar, and Manoj were sharing their profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. You are required to prepare trading profit and loss account for year ended 31st March 2014 and balance sheet on the same date after making adjustment. Following is the trial balance extracted from the books as on 31st March 2014. So here the trial balance is given. Building is 9 lakh, building asset machinery is 6 lakh, furniture is 45,000, data sundry expense, rent, salary, advertisement, carriage outward, insurance, salesman commission, stock. Now this is not given which stock this is. Then we have 12% investment. This is the hidden adjustment. 1/4/2013, that is the first day of the year, because the year is ending on 31st March 2014. So this investment is done on 1st April 2013. So full year interest has to be received. Cash bank balance, bill receivable, drawing is given, and then bad debts is given. Bad debts will come in profit and loss. Then in the credit side, capital balances are given. Reserve for bad debts P&L account. Loan from Amar. Amar is son of the partner who has given loan to the business. Creditors. Then there is gross profit. So gross profit is directly given. So this stock will be closing stock. This will come only in the asset. And this is gross profit. So this will come in the P&L account, trading account. No need to prepare trading account. From bills payable, interest on investments. The investment is here. The interest is here. We have to see whether the full interest is received or anything is outstanding. Other income, and there is bank loan which is given on 31st March 2014. That is the last day. So this loan is taken in the last day, 31st March 2014, for 3 lakh, and the year is also ending on 31st March 2014, and the loan is also taken on 31st March 2014. The loan is taken on 31st March 2014. This is the trial balance. Now on 31st December 2013, Dinesh retired. So from Dinesh, Amar and Manoj, Dinesh retired on 31st December 2013. Dinesh retired on 31st December means this year has started on April. So April to December, 9 months he was there. And for Jan, February, March, he had retired. So before retirement and after retirement, if you will count months from April to December, you will get 9 months. And after retirement, there are 3 months. So before retirement, 9 months, and after retirement, 3 months. Following are the adjustment. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 2,40,000. Balance of Dinesh capital account after all adjustment was to be transferred to his loan account carrying interest at 18% per annum. So see here, balance of, like, we have to settle Dinesh, because Dinesh's account, because he is going to retire. So whatever amount has to be paid to him will go to his loan account, and we have to also give him interest at 18% per annum. So he will be getting an interest of 18% per annum on on his loan account. Means whatever settlement has to be done to him, that we will not pay him on the spot, but we will transfer it to his loan account, and then that loan account he will receive 18% interest on that account. And fixed asset has to be depreciated. So fixed asset, that is the adjustment. So all the fixed asset, whatever is there here, 12% depreciation has to be calculated. So all the fixed asset, whatever fixed asset is there, in that 12% depreciation has to be calculated. And in the data, there is further bad debts 12,000. So data also there is an adjustment of bad debts. Provide interest on capital at 9% and interest on and loan at 6%. So here which loan is there where 6% interest has to be charged? This is the loan given by Amar on which the rate of interest will be 6%. 6% rate of interest has to be calculated on the loan. During the year, gross profit is constant, means every month the gross profit is same. So there is sales bifurcation given. Up to December, sales is 25 lakhs, and after December for 3 months, the sale is 6,25,000. The sale is 6,25,000. So we have to calculate sales ratio, that is before retirement and after retirement, and whatever expenses are related to sales have to be divided in the sales ratio. So what we will do the posting, building. We will see here posting, it is building has a adjustment. So building, it is 9 lakh. So we will write 9 lakh in the inner column. And then we have machinery 6 lakh. Then we have machinery 6 lakh. Then we have furniture 45,000. Furniture 45,000. Then we have data 1,62,000. Data 1,62,000. Then we have sundry expense. Sundry expense will come in the P&L account to sundry expense. This has to be divided among 9 months and 3 months. So time ratio, you can say time ratio from before retirement and after retirement. Here, before retirement, how many months? From April to December. How many months? We have already counted. It is 9 months. And after retirement, it is Jan to March. That will come to 3 months. So it is 9 and 3. So we can reduce it more. 3 3s are and 3 1s are. We can have the ratio 3:1. So sundry expense को ये रेशो में डिवाइड करो 3:1 में. How much is the amount of sundry expense? It is 42,000. So 42,000 into 3/4 and 42,000 into 1/4. Give the answer how much this should come. How much this should come? What is the answer? 31,500 and 10,500. How did you got this answer? Sundry expense 42,000 into 3 divided by 4. 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And 42,000 into 1 divided by 4. See, after retirement and before retirement, so how much it will come? This will come. Give the answer. 31,500 and this will come 10,500. This way we have to do. And after sundry expense, what is their rent? Rent again, same way, do the classification 9 months before retirement and 3 months after retirement. What is the amount of rent? It is 1,44,000. So divide 1,44,000 in the ratio 3:1. Divide in the ratio 3:1. This is also 3:1. Divide in the ratio 3:1. What will you get? 1,44,000 into 3 divided by 4. You will get 1,08,000. And here what you get? Here you get 36,000. Getting the answer? Now, after rent, there is salaries. Salaries also same way you have to divide 2 salaries. 2 salaries, 3:1. 2 salaries, 3:1. Salaries is 2,93,000. So divide in the same ratio 2,93,000 into 3/4. It is coming 219,750 and 1/4 is coming 73,250. After salaries, what is there? What expense is there after salary? Advertisement, but advertisement is related to sales. Advertisement is related to sales and they have given the bifurcation of sale up to December and after that. So we have to find out the sales ratio. So here sales before and after retirement. How much it is? 25 lakhs and 6,25,000. How many zeros are common? 3 zeros. So 2,500 and 625. So if we want, we can reduce it more. We can reduce it more. If you want to reduce it more, ये किसके टेबल में जाएगा? 25 के टेबल में. किसके टेबल में? Which table this will go? 25 के टेबल में. See, if we want to keep this same, we can keep it same. इसको छोटा करना है तो और छोटा कर सकते हैं. 25 के टेबल में this goes. तो 25 के टेबल में 2,500 will come 100 times एंड 625 जो है वो 25 के टेबल में कितने टाइम्स में आता है? 625 डिवाइड बाई 25 करेंगे तो 25 आर 625, तो ये 125, दिस इज 25 के टेबल में 4 टाइम्स आता है. 100 fours, 25 fours are, and 25 is 25 ones are. So you can, if you want, you can reduce the ratio by dividing from 25. 25 के टेबल में 100 में आता है, 625 25 are 625. तो और छोटा करना है तो और छोटा, तो द रेशो विल कम 4:1. The ratio will be 4:1. So divide, what is the amount of advertising? Advertisement का amount क्या है? 60:500. तो 60:500 को divide करो ये ratio में. 60:500 divide in this ratio, what you are getting? 50,000 and 12,500. Now after advertisement, what is there? Carriage outward. Carriage outward is also related to sale. Carriage outward means transportation expense related to sale of goods. Carriage outward. This will also go in the same 4:1. 4:1. So carriage outward 4:1. How much is the amount of carriage outward? 20,500. To 20,500 into 4/5 and 20,500 into 1/5. How much are you getting? 18,000 and 4,500. After carriage outward, we have insurance. Insurance is related to, not related to sales. So it is related to time. So before retirement months and after retirement months, 9 and 3. So we can, what ratio we will see? 3:1. So what you are getting, what is the amount of insurance? The amount of insurance is 9,000. So divide 9,000 into 3:1 ratio. You will get 6,750 and you will get 2,250. So after insurance, what you have? After insurance, salesman commission 1,50,000. So to salesman commission, which ratio? 4:1, because this is related to sales. 1,50,000 divide in the 4:1 ratio, you will get 1,20,000 and 30,000. Then we have, after salesman commission, we have stock, but this is which stock? This is closing stock because gross profit is given 125,500. So after the adjustment, we will write here stock amount in the last column 125,500. And after stock, we have 12% investment. It has a hidden adjustment. So 12% investment, we will write here 12%, 12% investment. 12% investment is how much? 2 lakh. 2 lakh full year's interest we have to calculate at 12% because this is taken in the first day. So just check 12% interest कितना होगा full year के लिए on 2 lakh. So 2 lakh पे 12% interest we have to calculate. 2 lakh into 12%, it is coming 24,000. And we have received only how much income? We have received only 12,000. So more 12,000 is outstanding. So add outstanding, that is 24,000 may only 12,000 we have received. So balance is outstanding 12,000. So that 12,000 we will show here, and in the outer column it will come 2,12,000 because interest पूरे साल का होता है 24,000 but हमें मिला है सिर्फ 12,000 तो बाकी का 12,000 is outstanding. Then we have cash and bank balance. So एक बार दूसरा outstanding interest का दूसरा effect also we have to give by interest on investment. वो बाद में लिखते हैं add outstanding, that is 12,000. तो ये 12,000 को हम यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली लिख नहीं सकते. We have to divide this interest on investment. So यहीं पे we will write 12,000 interest on investment outer column में. Interest on investment in the outer column we will show 12,000. तो इसको थोड़ा ये करते हैं 12,000. 12,000 यहाँ पे we will write 12,000. 12,000 so that we get place to write 12,000, and this outstanding is also 12,000. So 24,000 we have to divide by time ratio. Time क्या है? Time ratio क्या? 9 month and 3 month. तो accordingly हमें divide करना है. So we will get 24,000 को divide करेंगे तो we will get 18,000 and we will get 6,000. Same way after interest, or after this we have cash and bank 25,750. So we will write cash and bank 25,750. We will write in the last column 25,750. After cash and bank we have bills receivable 61,750. Bills receivable 61,750. Then we have drawings. Drawings is there. Dinesh, Amar and Manoj. So drawing will come in the capital account. Two drawings. What is the drawing of all the three partners? Is 32,500. It is 43,500. 43,500 and it is 28,000. And after drawing, what is given? Bad debts. Bad debts has to go in sales ratio. So bad debts is related to sales. To bad debts 4:1. So 4:1 में bad debts को divide करो. What will you get? But ये bad debt जो है, it is 4,800. We will get bad debts is how much amount? Bad debts is 6,000. So when we divide it, how much we will get? We will get 4,800 and 1,200. And now, or else what we can do? This is done. Now we have on the credit side capital. We will write by balance brought down. What is the capital balance? 3,20,000, 2,70,000, 2,10,000. So 3,20,000, 2,70,000 and 2,10,000. After that we have Reserve for bad debt. This is last year's provision. This is last year's provision. So what we will do, we will show this last year's provision. So ये before retirement में ले लेंगे. Credit side में है RDD old. So we will show it here. How much is the amount of RDD? The amount of RDD is 9,000. So ये हम लोग show करेंगे here 9,000 because it is of last year. So we assume it is before retirement. And then loan from Amar, इसमें adjustment है. So we'll show here loan from Amar. In the inner column adjustment है 1,50,000. Then we have creditor 2,16,250. Creditor, no adjustment. Creditor 2,16,250. Then we have gross profit 13,25,000. This has to be divided. So here we will write by gross profit. Which ratio? Gross profit is always related to sales. So उसको हमेशा sales ratio में divide करते हैं. You will get 11,40,000, 11,40,000 and 2,85,000. What was the amount of gross profit? It was 14,25,000 into 4/5. 14,25,000 into 1/5. Bills payable 26,350. So after creditors, we will write bills payable. Bills payable is how much? 26,350. Then we have interest on investment. Already we have written interest on investment. Then we have other income. Other income 14,400. Right here. Other income that is related to time. 9 months and 3 months 14,400. You will get 10,800. 10,800 and 3,600. Then we have bank loan. Then we have bank loan 3 lakh, which is a liability. So bank loan is how much? 3 lakhs. This is also done. Now we come to the adjustments. On 31st December 2013, Dinesh died Dinesh retired. Following adjustments were agreed upon. So Dinesh retired from business, and what is the first adjustment? Goodwill of the firm valued at rupees 2,40,000. So goodwill of the firm is 2,40,000. So we have to, what you do, goodwill of the firm they have given. It is not brought in cash. It is goodwill of the firm. The adjustment for goodwill is goodwill account debit. Before retirement, how many partners were there? All the partners were there. So to, what is the name? To Dinesh, to Amar, to Manoj. So what is the amount of goodwill? This 2,40,000. This has to divide it in the ratio. What ratio is given in the question? The ratio is given 3 is to 2 is to 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So the ratio will be 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. Divide 2,40,000 in this ratio. What you are getting? 1,20,000. Then we get 80,000. Then we get 40,000. So this will come, this goodwill, because it is not written off, this will come in the balance sheet. Means they have not got the goodwill in cash. They have raised the goodwill. And this goodwill, if not written off, will come in the balance sheet. So what is the amount they will get? एंड अगर ये गुडविल राइट ऑफ होता है तो ये सिर्फ एग्जिस्टिंग पार्टनर्स में राइट ऑफ होता है, मतलब दिनेश रिटायर हो गया, अगर क्वेश्चन में बोला जाए कि गुडविल रेस करो एंड उसको राइट ऑफ भी करो, उसको कैंसिल भी करो, तो दिस अदर देन द रिटायरिंग पार्टनर द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर विल गेट द शेयर ऑफ राइटिंग ऑफ. तो राइट ऑफ होगा तो कौन कैंसिल करेगा? ओनली द रिमेनिंग पार्टनर. बट बिकॉज दिस देयर इज नथिंग टोल्ड अबाउट राइट ऑफ, दिस गुडविल विल कम इन द बैलेंस शीट. बिकॉज गुडविल डेबिट में ये कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है क्रेडिट में, और गुडविल इज असेट, डेबिट बैलेंस, दिस विल कम इन द असेट साइड. एंड हम लोग दिनेश, अमर और मनोज का अकाउंट बना रहे कैपिटल अकाउंट, तो क्रेडिट में है बाई, तो यहाँ पे वी विल राइट बाई goodwill. What is the amount? What is the amount you're getting? 1,20,000. And what you're getting? 1,20,000, 80,000, and last May you will get 40,000. So ये goodwill we have written off. I mean not written off. We have raised the goodwill. Written off तो नहीं हो रहा है, तो ये balance sheet में भी आएगा. Another effect, this will come in the balance sheet. Goodwill. How much is the amount? Whenever जब हम गुडविल को रेस करते हैं और फिर बाद में उसको एडजस्ट नहीं किया, राइट ऑफ नहीं किया, तो इट दैट गुडविल विल कम इन द बैलेंस शीट. नाउ दे से इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, नहीं, दिनेश का जो भी बैलेंस होगा, जो भी सेटलमेंट होगा लोन अकाउंट में होने वाला है, बैलेंस ऑफ दिनेश कैपिटल अकाउंट आफ्टर ऑल एडजस्टमेंट वाज ट्रांसफर्ड टू हिज लोन अकाउंट, एंड दिनेश will get 18% interest on that loan. What? Because the business cannot settle the money today and give him the money, give him his capital money back. His account will be converted into loan account, and it will fetch him a interest of 18% per annum. Then there is depreciation 12%. So depreciation के लिए go to asset and calculate depreciation in all fixed asset less depreciation 12%. So how much is 12% depreciation? 12% is 1,08,000. 1,08,000 minus करो, how much you will get? Minus करो, how much you will get? 7,92,000. And then here also less depreciation, less depreciation. How much is the amount? 6 lakh पे 10% depreciation, 12% depreciation is 72,000. Then how much you get after you minus 5,28,000. Then furniture also you will have to calculate 12% depreciation. So less depreciation at 12%. How much will this come? 5,400. So how much you will get? 39,600. So depreciation will come here in P&L account, and depreciation is charged according to time. 1 month, 2 month, it is charged according to time. So depreciation, all the depreciation may, what all is there? Building, then what is there? Machinery, then what is there? Furniture. So ये सबका 12% depreciation को टाइम रेशो में डिवाइड करना है. बिल्डिंग का 1,08,000 कौन सा रेशो में डिवाइड करना है? 3:1. So 1,08,000 को 3:1 रेशो में डिवाइड करो. How much you will get? 81,000 and 81,000 and 27,000. Same way machinery का depreciation is 72,000. So 72,000 को भी यही रेशो में डिवाइड करो. 72,000 को ये रेशो में डिवाइड करो. You will get 54,000 3:1 में, and you will get 18,000. Furniture is 5,400. इसको भी ये रेशो में डिवाइड करो. 5,4050 and 1350. फिर इसके बाद after depreciation, what is the next adjustment? Right of further bad debts. Right of further bad debts 12,000. So bad debts write off करो less RDD. How much is given? 12,000. So minus करके how much you get? Minus करके you get 1,50,000. So this 12,000 also we will have to divide in here to RDD new 3:1. 3:1. Divide करो in 3:1, 12,000. So how much you will get? 9,000 and 3,000. 9,000 and 3,000. So this is also done. Now what is there? Next adjustment. Provide interest on capital 9% and on loan 6%. So पहले लोन का करते हैं. ये लोन में add outstanding interest कितना परसेंट? 6%. Calculate 6% interest on 1,50,000. 1,50,000 पे 6% is how much? 1,50,000 पे 6% interest is how much? Is it coming to 9,000? So this will become 1,59,000. So ये 9,000 को भी हमें यहाँ पे दिखाना पड़ेगा. To outstanding interest on loan. कौन से रेशो में? 3:1. So what you get? 9,000 को कैसे डिवाइड करेंगे? 6,750 and 2,250. Now after this interest on capital निकालना है. So that is how much percent? To interest on capital. To interest on capital, this is how much percent? So interest on capital is 9%. So 9% in capital पे निकालो 9%. कितना अमाउंट किसको देना है? दिनेश Amar and Manoj. So 9 months के लिए how much is the amount? 3,20,000 into 9 into how much percent? 9%, 9 upon 100, 9% interest into 9 months into 9 divide by 12 because before retirement के लिए and after retirement तो दिनेश है ही नहीं तो 9 month and 3 months का निकालना है तो how much are you getting? दिनेश का you get 21,600. यहाँ पे तो he has got retired तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा. सेम वे अमर का इट इज 2,70,000 तो 2,70,000 पे 9% 9 मंथ के लिए निकालो. हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? 18,225 एंड दिनेश का सॉरी अमर का 2,70,000 पे 9% तो 3 मंथ्स कितना होते हैं देखो 6075 एंड देन मनोज का for 9 month 2,10,000 is capital is 2,10,000 उसके 9% for 9 month 14,175 and same 2,10,000 पे 9% for 3 months is 4,725. हो गया ये. इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट we have to give by 2 का by interest on capital. How much is the amount? 21,600. बाकी दोनों को ऐड करो. How much you are getting? 24,300 and मनोज का भी दोनों ऐड करो. You will get 18,900. You will get 18,900. This is done. Now we have to calculate the profit. लेकिन हम क्या करेंगे पहले हमें 9 months का प्रॉफिट निकालना है इसके बाद 3 months का बाद में निकालना है तो पहले 9 months का प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं. Add all the credit side items. How much you get? 11,77,800. 11,77,800. इधर भी लिखेंगे 11,77,800 और यहाँ पे निकालेंगे 2 नेट प्रॉफिट. सो माइनस करो सारे minus everything how much you getting? You will get 4,64,200. So this profit will go here by net profit. By net profit कितना है 4,64,200. इसको भी क्लोज करेंगे 4,64,200 4,64,200 और ये जो अमाउंट है इधर निकालेंगे 2 नेट प्रॉफिट and only for the before retirement period of दिनेश. इनका रेशो दिया हुआ है दिनेश अमर एंड मनोज. सो कितना होगा माइनस करके हाउ मच विल बी द प्रॉफिट व्हेन यू माइनस दिस अमाउंट तो 4,64,200 minus 21,600 minus 18,225 minus 1,14,175 you will get 4,10,200. So इसको we have to divide among all the 3 partners in the ratio 3:2:1. So 3/6 2/6 and 1/6. ये रेशो में डिवाइड करो, ये रेशो में डिवाइड करो, यू विल गेट 2,05,100, 1,36,733 and 68,367. You will get this amount. अब क्या करेंगे, ये जो यहाँ पे प्री पीरियड का निकालने से पहले हमें क्या करना है, लोन अकाउंट जो दिनेश का है उसको खत्म करना है, उसको ट्रांसफर करना है. तो टू नेट प्रॉफिट, आई विल ट्रांसफर नेट प्रॉफिट ऑफ ऑल द थ्री बिफोर रिटायरमेंट का. तो 2,05,100 and 136,733 and 68,367. So I will only close दिनेश का अकाउंट. तो दिनेश का अकाउंट क्लोज करेंगे तो हमें मिलता है 666,700, 666,700 और हम लोग जो भी उसका बैलेंस है उसको बोलेंगे टू दिनेश 18% लोन अकाउंट. कितना अमाउंट है, माइनस करो 32,500, यू विल गेट 6,34,200. सो ये जो लोन अकाउंट है इस पे 18% का इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखेंगे दिनेश 18% loan account. How much is the amount you got? It is 6,34,200. इस पे add 3 महीने का आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट. आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट for how many months? 3 months. फाइंड आउट करो कितना आ रहा है. 6,34,200 into 18% into 3 months, you will get 28,539. तो ये इसको ऐड करके ये आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट उसको अभी तक मिला नहीं है बिकॉज ट्रायल बैलेंस में नथिंग इज गिवन. तो हमें दोनों इफेक्ट देना पड़ेगा, 62,739 दोनों को. और ये इंटरेस्ट ENL अकाउंट में भी आएगा. क्या है ये, एक लाइन इसको नीचे करते हैं. टू आउटस्टैंडिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन दिनेश लोन अकाउंट. तो कितना है वो, ये तो रिटायरमेंट के बाद उसका लोन में कन्वर्ट हुआ है. What is the amount? 28,539. Now we can close the post period. After retirement के पीरियड को अभी हम क्लोज कर सकते हैं बिकॉज ये इंटरेस्ट नहीं मिला था. ये इंटरेस्ट जब भी इंटरेस्ट दिया रहता है एंड लास्ट डे नहीं है तो इंटरेस्ट के ऊपर 3 महीने का इंटरेस्ट. सी रिटायरमेंट हैज हैपेंड इन मिडल ऑफ द ईयर. So after retirement further, because rate of interest is given, we have to calculate interest, we have to calculate outstanding interest. So ये इसको add करेंगे तो when we add this we get 2,94,600, 2,94,600 and ये सब minus करने के बाद what profit you get, 44,261. 44,261. So we will write here 44,261. We will write here 44,261. यहाँ पे भी लिखे 44,261 माइनस करके बताओ कितना प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, कितना प्रॉफिट आ रहा है. माइनस दिस एंड टेल व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट. 44,261 minus 6,075 minus 4,725. The profit amount is 33,461 33,461। तो ये आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट इसको तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ये तो रिटायर हो गया, इसको तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। तो पूरा प्रॉफिट विल गो टू हु, विल गो टू अमर एंड मनोज। और इनका रेशो क्या था, इनका रेशो था 3:2:1, बट बिकॉज दिनेश हैज गॉन, तो बचा हुआ रेशो क्या है, इनका गेन क्या रहेगा, 2:1, बिकॉज 3 इज गॉन, फर्स्ट पार्टनर हैज गॉन, तो अभी बचा हुआ रेशो रहेगा 2:1। 3 has gone, Dinesh has gone, so remaining ratio will be, for the post period the ratio will be 2:1. 2:1 matlab will show here, 2:1 matlab 2 divide by 3 and एक लाइन नीचे, एंड लास्ट वाले का क्या रहेगा, 1 divide by 3, 2:3 and 1:3, 2:3 and 1:3, और ऊपर लेके जाना पड़ेगा ताकि, हाँ, अमर का एंड मनोज का। तो डिवाइड इन दैट रेशियो, व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग, व्हाट अमाउंट आर यू गेटिंग, उनको कितना मिलना चाहिए, 22,307 एंड 11,154। सो ये प्रॉफिट को भी हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे टू नेट प्रॉफिट। व्हाट इज द अमाउंट, 22,307 एंड 11,154। ये सबको ऐड करो, हाउ मच यू विल गेट, 533,340 एंड यू विल गेट 348,421, 533,340 and 348,421। सो जो बचेगा उसको बोलेंगे टू बैलेंस कैरीड डाउन। सो माइनस करो, कितना आएगा, 489,840 and last one you will get 320,421 माइनस करने पे। तो ये जो बचा इसको बोलेंगे, हियर अभी दो ही पार्टनर्स बचे हैं, देयर कैपिटल, हु आर दोस पार्टनर, अमर एंड व्हाट इज द अदर पार्टनर्स नेम, अमर एंड मनोज। सो write down their capital, how much it is, Amar and Manoj ka 489,840 and 320,421, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो विल गेट 810,261। Now we are done with it, we can do the tally and let us see what how our balance sheet tallies. 21,74,600, 21,74,600. With this our balance sheet will tally and our sum is done.